Well, we were loving and a hugging and a kissing and a squeezing on a Friday and Saturday night. Just a dancing and a prancing and a lot of romancing, and boy, did it sure feel right. But now we're cussing and a fussing and we can't win nothing every Friday and Saturday night. Now there's no more dancing for this king of romancing, and it looks like I lost the fight. Just a little bit of loving and a no more cussing would make me feel alright. How about some loving and a hugging and a little bit of rubbing on this cold and lonely night? Because I'm lonesome and I'm jonesing for a little bit of loving, and a baby, I'm just your type. And now there's no more dancing for this king of romancing, and it looks like I lost the fight. Well, now my sweet little baby done got plumb crazy, and she's looking to start a fight. And she's a cussing and a fussing and a talking about her cousin walking around with a 45. And she's a tough one and a fun one who can sure give a good one if you ever get to spend the night. And she's a sexy honey baby who's just plumb crazy with them wild and crazy eyes. And we were loving and a hugging and a kissing and a squeezing on a Friday or Saturday night. Just a dancing and a prancing and a lot of romancing, and boy, did it sure feel right. But now we're cussing and we're fussing and we can't win nothing every Friday and Saturday night. And now there's no more dancing for this king of romancing, and it looks like I lost the fight.
No, don't let go! Oh.